Hey, hey, lifestyle. Everything. Bad babs on my everybody going propaganda ganda. Hey, Weezy Leno. China Power. Hey, whole squad on some lifestyle.
All those niggas know. Yes. Got a plug in every city. Yes. What's up?
What's up?
How you guys doing?
Come on now. Hey, come on. I'm big now. Welcome to guys, another episode of MicroWave Boys. We're in there like somewhere.
Can you tell I'm excited?
Yeah, you are. What do you think? Yeah. And Spaga was singing a song the whole time and actually got stuck into my head.
The ones that we were singing.
Singing.
Now we are coming to the end. Stop, pop, pop.
Should I just say, welcome to MicroWave Boys.
We are the
Episode 65.
We are
66.
the champions.
We're in there like swimming. I'm still Larry. It's still Spaga. It's so simple. We do this every single Friday. We do this for you. We do this for entertainment. Spaga, hit it with it.
World, welcome to episode 66.
Yeah, I was hyping that.
Yeah,
Is that
man,
how I normally sound in the club?
Yeah.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's a motherfucking place to be.
Oh, who's buying the bottles?
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh, the bottles are on the way. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
If you ain't buying bottles, go home.
Rah.
Guys, there was a time where they let me get the mic. I'm actually banned. I don't know if people know this. I'm banned from holding. Anyone sees me holding a mic in the club, someone comes flying across the room to grab it away from me.
No.
Hey, make some noise.
I said, ladies, do you want some shots? Lady said nothing. I said, hey, but you can't go on.
It almost got very dark.
Stop talking.
It almost got very dark. But other things that are dark are our parliament.
What?
Parliament.
Guys, you hear the lip eye story?
Oh, yes. Linda
yes.
Moiketsi tweeted that
Linda
everything.
got tweeted about, guys, you must buy yourself lip balm.
Lip balm.
And he said the lip balm that
lip
people
balm?
must buy is 800 rand.
Yeah.
I would rather have cracked lips.
Can I tell you guys something, right? What he sent us, right? He sent us a small one. There's a big tub of moisturizer. Okay. Do you know how much that thing is? I'm going to show you guys, and then you guys are going to show the panic in your face, okay? 500 milliliter La Mer face cream.
La mer.
Yeah.
Hey,
Face cream 500 milliliter.
La mer.
There we go. Retail price. Hey.
Hey, foot tag. Hey. 53,000.
Is it for special?
That better be Jesus' sweat that I'm putting on.
Yeah.
What the fuck is it?
Yeah. Basically, it's
No, of course,
53.
they've made a mistake.
Yeah, it's 53,000.
53,000 for the company.
And then 689.
What are they selling here? The company. And then someone comes here, can I get some lotion? Nah, nigga.
Yeah, and then someone just.
Are you fucking sick? Yo, then you find that one nigga just going. What? Hey!
I don't like copper.
I'd come on your skin and I start taking it off. Nah, my nigga. Nope.
You guys are making me
Apply
ashy.
for two. All of us.
Everyone must come get some lotion.
You guys are making me cock ashy now. I'm done.
You need some La Mer.
I never mind.
You need to get yourself some La Mer.
Wow.
Face cream. I have to put that face cream on and immediately become Boris Kojo. Otherwise, what's the point? If I get Tassa so, Boris Kojo must start appearing here. As I'm going down Boris. By the time I'm finished, Boris Kojo. Otherwise, fuck! I'll never stop talking about it.
500 milliliters.
Anyway, good morning. How are you, sir? I used 53,000 rand hand cream. Let's get into this business meeting. Okay, cool. Before I start this presentation, I used 53,000 rand worth of lotion this morning when I got up. So I hope everyone is having a great day. Anyway, you see in this presentation, what the budget is. Did I mention that it's 53,000 for the lotion that I'm using? So when we speak about budgets, I really know what I'm talking about.
One of our new segments is Where in
the World Is.
Give me a country.
Let's roll the bumper.
Where in the world is
I saw a couple of tweets. Somebody asked Les Paga, where in the world is Cambodia?
Cambodia. It's in Canada.
Yo, you went.
Wait.
You're in the wrong. You're in the wrong. You're in the wrong part of the world.
Okay, so South Africa is in the middle.
Okay, what's here?
It's America.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then up here?
It's Northern America.
Okay, then. We're doing well. So where's Cambodia now?
And then if we take it over to up, if now South Africa is there, now we're up there. Where are we now?
In London.
Now I'll take it. Wait,
Study the map, isn't it?
Oh,
now
yeah.
if you go to your right, where are we going now? Right here.
Eastern London.
No!
Fuck! Okay, one more. Somebody asked Spaga, where in the world is Australia?
So South Africa's here.
Yeah.
That's the
And
one.
then it's here.
Which country's got the biggest landmass?
Okay, easy there, partner.
Oh,
wait.
He knows it. He was studying yesterday.
It's Russia.
Ah!
Yesterday I saw Russia's like the whole world. It's cut me.
So, our parliament being the dark place.
Yes.
The parliament has gone from being dark to being comedic to having all aspects of a really good show.
Yeah, like Big Brother. Big Brother.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Perfect.
Microwave.
So, yeah.
It's MicroWave, boys.
Yeah.
Parliament is MicroWave.
But on steroids.
yes.
On super steroids.
Except it's adults.
It's a
You can
reality.
also adults, but these are like adults.
Yeah, like we might be.
Keep a whole of fundy one.
So this is what happened in parliament the other day. What's up? So, EFF.
So as you know, continuing from BP Gate,
Can I take this question? Please do. Thank you. Honorable President, you know,
Why is it interpreter?
this phone doesn't have a camera. You might want to start ordering it for cabinet members because it will save us a lot from some of the embarrassing activities that it doesn't have a camera. It can't even be hacked, this phone. Can I come maybe give it to you after so you can have a
Look at
model
the
of what
sign
phones
language.
might be
Can I
critical
document
for
you?
honorable cabinet members? And anyway, I'm very worried
Hey, they moved on
about
so quickly.
the criminalization of...
he ever knows there's cameras in Parliament, right?
Yeah.
Or he knows there's cameras everywhere.
about cameras.
He knows if there's something he ever knows about, it's cameras.
Was he swearing at him?
That's why this one doesn't have a camera.
They're literally telling you about things being caught on camera, and you continuing
to do things.
on
And
camera.
get caught. And
I think
camera.
but do you think he knows how cameras work? You know, like after you use the camera, everyone can see it.
Yeah.
There's no the moment in time; it's recorded.
Now he knows.
Imagine if this was your minister. Don't have to imagine; it really is.
Yeah, it really is.
Super still employed.
It's super.
Every day he is in Parliament, just sitting.
Yeah.
Everyone just continues. They're still
Ministering.
He's ministering. I looked at that video once. It scarred me for life.
I also looked at it once.
Are you sure? I gotta look at it more than once.
But guys, who still does this? Huh? This one. This. You know, like this is really old people who do
This
this.
is
when they
old
do-
school shit.
when they- you know, it's like this small. No way.
What he did, he showed his home affairs. I wanted to say it again. It was funny.
Yeah.
You didn't say it. This is the first time you're saying it.
Ah, yes, it is. Home affairs, because his home is there.
Justin Bieber's car got stuck in the hood. What tell you? But and you guys must know, Justin Bieber's whitest night. No, not whitest night. Whitest date night.
What?
What? White as night.
Oh, he means the stars.
Okay, Justin, do your thing then.
He was so excited.
What kind of shortcut was everything?
Right here, man. Justin Bieber in the hood, cuz. White boy, sing that shit.
No, there is white people in the hood.
Was he?
Bieber in the
I
hood.
guess that's the biggest misconception. You think it's just niggas there.
Yeah.
Why is he singing?
Because he was singing in the hood. Niggas say, hey, nigga, ain't you that singing ass nigga? Hey, my daughter loves your song, nigga. Hey, what's that song, nigga?
Digo Tandile.
Nigga, tandile, stand aside.
Guys, leave him out of this, man. Come on.
Yenhliziyo yami yonke.
Justin's voice here, you can hear how scared he is. When he's singing.
The fear in his singing for his life.
Shot that arrow, I'm hit. Need to ride me. Try to maintain. So don't mind if I turn.
My man's singing for his life. The push-ups are the ones that fucking destroy me.
They made him do push-ups.
But they made him do push-ups. They made him play basketball. He even started saying, okay, let me show them I'm tough. Let me show them I'm tough. 1, 2, 3, show them I'm tough. Let's go. Wait, here it comes.
First of all,
I'm saying, first of all, Nigerian oaks are very. We know how they love macking. They don't care if you're working with your girlfriend. They say, does he buy you a car? No. No, buy you a motor car.
Why do we always have to ask for like verification?
Yeah, with this boy.
He
said,
e-wallet.
no.
You can already hear what they want to say before.
Oh, you're gonna hear no, broke boy. Has he take you to Dubai? And then the girlfriend starts answering. He goes, no. Like, hey, what's that going? I think you're like, you deserve that. If you're my girl,
Yeah.
I will not take you out.
I once was dumped by someone and then she started dating a guy from DRC.
Paga, where in the world is the Democratic Republic of Congo?
It's in Africa. Let's move
Wait.
We have 2 American hostages, and we're asking $2 million for the release. The money needs to be sent to our accounts in the Cayman Islands. 24 hours.
You don't get your master. See, this message is for the President of the Republic of Nigeria, MKO Buhari. As I talk to you now, we have about 20-something people who we don't kidnap, lock for us. And we are asking 436 million naira in cash. Raw cash. Let me go come collect them. Mark my face. If you don't see me, don't release the money. Let me go come collect the money.
If you don't see me, don't
You
give
have
me.
3 days.
Make sure it's
3 days to produce this money. If not, Madana. If
you
not,
might give it to someone
what
else,
it-
man.
that is I shoot everybody. Are you understanding
yo,
me? And don't look my face. I be like person when they joke. We are not joking around. We mean business. Emeka, you want to talk something? Femi, you want to talk something? My name is Tifopi, and we would like to remain anonymous.
Hey, simple.
yeah, hey, if you don't see this place, don't give this nigga the money. Make sure you give me the money. That's the thing. Make sure you give me the money. Anyway, let me.
Yeah, if you see another nigga like this wearing the same thing.
That's Superman, yeah? This is Superman.
Simple, do you want to say anything?
And then now it's Superman with his mask. Oh, it's always good to have a little bit of a refreshment.
Last week someone said someone helped Larry to open that thing. What's up?
Oh, this time it's me. It's because my hand is slipper. We
Yeah.
are adding some flavor.
And experience.
Adding
Like,
some
like never before. Join us on the first ever Flying Fish Flavor Odyssey experience with Masijo, JID, Moonchild, Black Motion, and the Satis.
Flying fish.
Add some.
25th of November.
Yes.
Right? It's all going down. Larry just told you Flying Fish Flavor. Honestly, it's the first ever one, guys.
No.
And we've been telling you hashtag
Yeah.
Flavor Odyssey.
Yeah.
Very important. At Flying Fish SA, you can check them out on Instagram.
Whoa.
Of course on Twitter as well, and on Facebook.
Are we giving away tickets?
Yes, we're
We're
giving
giving
away
away
some
tickets.
Some of you amazing
I saw
listeners.
some of the tweets as well.
Yeah,
excited
people
about
are
the
already using the
merchandise.
hashtag, which is amazing. Keep using that hashtag. Let us know if you want to come join us. And remember,
just excited for myself.
Exclusive. This is exclusive.
Invite only, basically. You know, I mentioned them.
Yeah, if you wanna win a ticket, just tell us who. Two.
I mentioned them
Two
earlier.
international artists. Larry's already told you
Yeah.
rewind. Tell us in the comments, but most importantly, tell us on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. Follow at MicroWave Boys. Hashtag Flavor Odyssey. It's right here, this hashtag. You can see it as we're talking. Menzi, pull that thing up.
Yeah, you know.
He's a hustler.
Yes.
You already know.
We already know.
Yeah, what else?
He's got a plug in every city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone fell in love with him.
He rolls up.
Can I do that?
He learned how to play marimba from Manando.
Yeah. Basically,
Manando's the reason he did it.
Manando's the reason why.
Manando's the reason he does what he does.
Yeah.
What up, man? What up, man? What up, man?
Glad to have you here, man.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
Special guest in the building.
I'm in the village.
Baka the
believe it.
hustler, you already know.
Yes, sir.
All right,
We got Matatiela's finest.
Nah. The king of Matatiel.
King of Matatiela's.
Yeah. Not
Wait.
the finest. I'm not a sexy guy. I'm kidding.
But niggas do too fucking much.
all the time. All the time. Like they also wear
They can't just go to gym. They can't just go to gym and shut the fuck up. Nah. There has to be extra about it. Please play this video.
Just go away.
I will.
Why?
Oh.
Why?
Oh.
Got a GP now.
Why? Why?
Why?
Why must buff niggas always everything have to be at the grocery store?
Well, and you know, the worst thing is when you ask for directions, yeah, you can find it that way.
Yeah, I feel like he was doing the scorer. Kiki, do you love me?
Oh,
The
yeah.
scorer one. Yeah.
Wow, this is no man.
But I relate. I sometimes do that outside my car.
What do you normally work out?
I do 4 weekly push-ups. Aren't you a buff nigga?
No. I don't wanna look like a carrot. I tried many times.
For real, to start gymming.
Yeah.
What
but
happened?
I wasn't consistent, and I don't wanna be buff. So why am I here?
I want to be shit.
It's straightforward. Or you just say, what the fuck am I doing here? I don't want to be buff.
Yeah.
And you did.
Hey.
Which one is it?
4 suspects were arrested for possession of illegal firearms and ammunition and a stolen. Oh!
Which arrest is this one, guys?
Oh, that's why again it's called shitty punishment. In the butt.
Yo, did I have one person farts? Pink eye. It's instant pink eye. Instant pink eye. Not that I know by experience.
And you've had a lot of pink eyes, eh?
Sick.
Yeah.
Sick.
I wonder.
This way you see good crime doesn't pay for it. Doesn't pay for it.
That's his opportunity to turn. These guys don't want to be seen. They're like, I'd rather hide my face in his
Actually,
ass.
you're right.
Hey, but it's
Don't have to
messed
do
up.
this.
It's messed up how they got at the crib talking about, yeah, we want to rob.
Yeah,
we want to be the shit. We want to take out all of these Dracos. Yeah, rob the bank, get money. And this is how it ended up.
These niggas.
It did. This crime paid, but it paid 32 rand.
They went in and said, no.
Now see, these guys are probably very dangerous criminals. They did this because they enjoy crime.
Yeah,
It's not about the money. It's like practicing, guys. Next week we're robbing a bank. Today, I want to make sure you guys get the drill right.
Yeah.
We're gonna start at the post office. Everyone, who robs the post office?
No one.
Who wants
Absolutely
everyone's
no one.
letters?
No one.
Why do you want all our letters?
Want the boxes and parcels or what? And the letters. Post office, not bank or what? Post office.
Post office, bruh. 6 of them walked away with 32 rand. How much is that, Spaga?
That is bread.
No, how much is that all in all?
32 times 6.
It's one song.
It's 1
One
point.
night, 1 night.
1 point.
1 point.
No, it's 192.
Spy out 1 point.
192 rand.
1 point.
Oh, I saw a 0 there at the end.
These are guys that just enjoy crime.
Yeah.
Nothing to do about the money. There's the guys who hijack a car and give it back. Yeah, winner, come back. Here's your car. We just want to show these guys that we can take these cars. Yeah.
This is us. We can do this. It's
These ones, they ain't looking for the L. Where the L at?
Oh, yeah.
What do you say?
Hero of the week. Here's our hero of the week. Let's go.
So what's happening here? That this kid told us, the parents told this kid that it's time to leave. So the kid started giving everybody a hug. Goodbye.
Oh,
But now he's choosing who to hug.
Akabanga. Shotaba.
Oh,
That's some cute shit, bro.
I hate this segment, man. Come on, man. Everybody, you getting a hug.
Nah, but she's not hugging some people. He's like, what? Like, nah, not these ladies.
My son wouldn't do that.
Is your son shy?
Nah, not that he's shy. It's just like me. He's got an ego.
He's a real G like that.
Yeah, he's got an ego. You know, my dad is Emtee the motherfucking Hustla.
Yeah.
So.
And he already knows.
Yeah.
So,
He already.
Yeah. So like you won't be. I don't think you do this because it's like, yo, pops, let's bounce.
Yeah.
About this.
I think that video is extremely cute.
It's not because he's shy or whatever.
He just knows that he has a plug in every city.
He just
Yeah.
doesn't have time for that. He ain't got no time.
But that's a cute video.
Yeah,
That's
video.
That's cute as shit.
Yeah.
That's like super cute. Like who's cutting onions again?
So,
I think we must call this segment "Who's Cutting Onions."
Who's cutting?
Because yo,
Why does onions have to do with this segment?
Let's do the grammar jammer.
onions make you cry.
It's in the group. When you check your WhatsApp, it's the last thing there.
Oh shit.
I didn't. It's not in my life.
But I hope and wish that this kid does this until she's old.
Yeah.
Because you know,
she must keep the same energy. Yeah.
Life
eventually, you just like over people.
Like, you know, kids know people, they feed off energy.
Yeah.
Kids can tell.
That's why she's
like,
choosing which ones.
Yeah.
That's why she's like,
Kids can look at you and be like, nah, don't come close to me.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And in our pictures of the week, aka our grammar jammer, we got these very amazing shots of the city of Johannesburg.
Yeah,
this
that's
Joburg?
my city. Yeah, that's my city.
This is where you grew up.
I run that city.
That's us.
JFB.
Ooh, look at this shot right here.
Someone tweeted something that was really funny. You know, when someone was like, when you see a picture of a girl and then you see her in real life, and they're like, but she really looks nice in pictures.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, these pictures are amazing.
Anton Bosman.
Anton Bosman.
Me, I'm from Matatiele originally, but I represent Joburg to the fullest.
Shout out.
And nobody does that. I'm the only one who reps the city, even if I'm not from here originally, but I grew up out here. And yeah, man.
So you rep it in Matatiele?
I'm the prince of JHB and the king of Matatiele.
Man, nigga.
Yeah.
So do you rep it in Matatiele? Do you rep the city in Matatiele?
Yeah, I rep Matatiele to the fullest.
MicroWave Boys, episode 66. Larry, let's okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's have a little.
So you're gonna sign it, right?
You gotta send me your demo, man.
Come on. We can be twins. Come on, Emtee.
You gotta send me a demo. What you
Go,
got?
no, man. Don't need to see what I got. Come on, man.
Alright, man. Give me.
Come on.
Spit some. Spit some.
Nigga. Come on. We the hustlers. You already know.
Come on, man. Spit some for me, man.
You already know.
You know serious about this deal. Where's your demo?
You already know.
Oh.
You already know.
Hey man, Emtee the Hustla, man, CEO, ATM, Ambitious Entertainment, we in the building. Yeah, signing out. Hey, by the way, I've always wanted to be on this show. So thank you guys for having me. Yeah.
Yeah, and say it. You already know.
Yeah, you already know. Yeah, go get DIY tools on iTunes and all that stuff. DIY tools. Yes, sir.
Kiss all day, yeah. We kiss all night, don't fuck, but she fuck my side 2-step, yeah. Cash decrease, she don't get paid. 5 shots down, now she in my head. Shake that ass like swap boy babe. Bands pop like champagne all night. A bitch say dig when she in my hand. Damn. Rashida, I love her, trust her, dice her, cold one, cold heart, she love me, man. Got that juice, gotta kill them fumes. But my chest when she see my ex. 5 more shots, never text my main girl. Be the sweet, be the sweet. I've been sipping on gin and juice. Pour it up,